As a college, Georgia Tech strives to provide the best possible college experience to every student enrolled. However, with a diverse student body of over 25,000 individuals, it can be difficult to address the individual needs of each student. The purpose of the Office of Research and Assessment of Student Life at Georgia Tech is to address this issue by accumulating information from the student body in order to facilitate the continuous improvement of student experience at Georgia Tech. Through the Office of Research and Assessment for Student Life, we can address two aspects of the Georgia Tech experience. The first is improving the existing organizations on campus. Focus groups are an excellent means to assess student experience within an organization. Through a focus group, we can better understand the challenges faced by students involved in a variety of organizations and improve their experience. The second aspect is improving student experience through the creation of new organizations or policies. This approach must address the needs of the general student body, which is why surveys are used as an assessment tool. These surveys are designed to be time efficient as well as effective in measuring the many aspects of student life. However, focus groups and surveys are only one small part of assessment. Here at Georgia Tech, we follow a model called the cycle of assessment. It is a 7-step cycle that allows us to gauge how we are improving as well as where we still have room to grow. The first step in the cycle of assessment is goals. Goals can be separated into two categories. Operational goals, which are general, broad, and often abstract statements of desired or intended results. Or learning goals, which are directly associated with the acquisition of knowledge. Developing these goals allows us to determine what we, as an institution, want to accomplish. The second step is outcomes. Outcomes are what should occur when the goals are met. They are related to behavior, skills, knowledge, attitude, values, and conditions. Evaluation strategy is the third step. In this step, we describe specific data collection methods used and the timetable for implementation to evaluate the degree to which the outcome is achieved, such as surveys, focus groups, interviews, observations, document reviews, tracking, or other approved methods. The fourth step is method of disseminating and using information for improvement. This step addresses the potential audience who will be reviewing the gathered data and how best to convey the essential information to the audience. The fifth step is the summary of results. This is where we summarize the data gathered and whether or not we reached the goals or observed the outcomes outlined in the first and second steps. What did you learn is the sixth step. In this step, we describe the results based on what we learned from the assessment. The final step is actions taken. In this step, we describe what decisions have been or will be made about the programs or services as a result of this assessment. Changes in operational focus, resource allocation, rules or procedures, or a lack of changes are described in this step. With the help of tools like the cycle of assessment, we in the Office of Research and Assessment for Student Life at Georgia Tech are able to address and improve the experiences of the thousands of students who attend our college.